All right, guys, welcome to Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Surfside Inn and Suites. We are staying in room 2923, which means we are in the second tower on the 9th floor, the 23rd room. When you walk in, the first thing you're gonna see on your left is the shower and the toilet. So pretty basic. The shower door kind of slides open. So nice tiled shower, nothing crazy. You've got full length mirror, and then your sink is gonna be right here. Hi guys. So they've got all your towels, got some soap and some tissues. Of course, a hair dryer. They've also got a place for you to store your things. They've got it covered nicely, which I kind of like. I don't usually see that. So you've got your ironing board, just some storage in there. We're in a 2-queen room. So we've got some really nice art on the wall. We've got 2 beds, 2 queen beds. You've got your coffee maker, coffee, and your goodies. And then we've got a fridge down here. Pretty standard size. We've got a few drawers. And then we brought some goodies with us. We've got some extra seating down below. A little chair in the corner with a nice lamp. Love these curtains. That's really cool, that tie-dye look. But that is our room. Welcome. Good morning, weekenders. So we wanted you to be able to see the view from our room, but yesterday it was super rainy, so you couldn't see anything. So this morning, just want to point out that you can see Volcano Bay right here. And you've got Cabana Bay Hotel right there. Aventura Hotel. If you look really closely, you can see the top of Hogwarts Castle right over that blue roof. And then I'm gonna keep spinning, but you can see parts of the park. You can see the lighthouse for islands and also the spires for toothsomes. So we've got, yeah, and Rip Ride Rocket. We've got a pretty good view. Again, we're on the 9th floor of Tower 2 at Surfside, but I'm not complaining. This is pretty dang good.